Imagine holding the next-generation Sony A7R VI in your hands. The excitement, the anticipation, and the possibilities are almost too much to contain. Sony has been quietly working on what could be the most advanced mirrorless camera yet, and the leaks that have started surfacing are unlike anything we've seen before. Today, we're going to explore every new detail, rumor, and hidden feature that has surfaced. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. Sony's A7 series has always been about pushing the limits of photography, combining resolution, speed, and portability in a way few other cameras have managed. With the A7R VI, we're expecting something revolutionary, not just an incremental upgrade. From enhanced autofocus to stunning image quality, this camera seems poised to redefine what a full-frame mirrorless camera can do. Let's start with design. Early leaks suggest that the A7R VI will maintain the familiar Sony body we all know and love, but with some subtle refinements that make it more comfortable for long shooting sessions. Grip improvements, slightly better balance, and an even more durable construction are expected. Sony has listened to photographers, and it shows. Every curve, every button, every dial seems to have been considered carefully to create a tool that feels like a natural extension of your hand. Now, let's talk about the sensor. Sources hint at a staggering increase in megapixels, likely surpassing any previous A7R model, coupled with significantly improved dynamic range. This means sharper details, more flexibility in editing, and images that maintain their quality even in challenging lighting conditions. Low light performance, a weak spot for many high-resolution cameras, seems to have been addressed as well. Rumors point to better noise control and improved ISO performance, meaning you can capture night scenes or indoor events with unprecedented clarity. Autofocus has always been a hallmark of Sony cameras, and the A7R VI appears to take it to a whole new level. Early reports mention AI-assisted autofocus tracking, capable of detecting and following subjects with lightning speed and unmatched accuracy. Portraits, sports, wildlife, and even unpredictable street scenes could be handled more reliably than ever before. Sony seems to be merging speed and precision in a way that feels almost futuristic. Video capabilities are another area where the leaks are turning heads. While the A7R series is traditionally known for photography, insiders suggest that Sony is pushing for serious videography features. We might see 8K video options, 4K at higher frame rates, and advanced stabilization, giving creators the tools to shoot cinematic footage without needing a separate setup. Imagine a camera that can seamlessly switch between professional photography and filmmaking without compromise. Connectivity and usability are getting attention too. Leaks indicate improvements in wireless transfers, faster processing, and a more intuitive menu system. Sony seems focused on creating a camera that is not only powerful but also user-friendly. For professionals, this means less time fiddling with settings and more time capturing the perfect shot. For enthusiasts, it means a camera that feels approachable yet sophisticated. Battery life has historically been a limitation on mirrorless cameras, but the A7R VI may offer significant improvements, allowing longer shooting sessions without constant recharging. Combined with faster memory card write speeds, this could make a huge difference for photographers shooting events, weddings, or wildlife, where missing a single frame can be critical. Now, let's talk about lenses. While the camera itself is groundbreaking, Sony's lens ecosystem plays a huge role. The A7R VI is rumored to be compatible with a new generation of lenses, optimized for high resolution and faster autofocus performance. This could mean sharper images, better bokeh, and versatility that satisfies both professionals and serious hobbyists. Ergonomics, software enhancements, sensor stabilization, and even rumored AI-powered features are all pointing to one thing. The Sony A7R VI could be the most complete mirrorless camera ever created. Every leak we've seen so far paints a picture of a camera designed not just to compete, but to dominate. Of course, these are leaks, and leaks can change. Sony might surprise us with features we haven't even imagined yet. But one thing is clear, anticipation is building, and the A7R VI is shaping up to be a game changer. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or someone who simply loves cutting-edge technology, this camera is one to watch. Stay tuned, because as soon as official information drops, we'll bring you hands-on reviews, real-world testing, and comparisons with every competitor. This is not just a camera. This is a glimpse into the future of photography, and we're all witnessing it unfold. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss a single update about the Sony A7R VI. So, what do you think? Will the Sony A7R VI live up to all these leaks? Or do you think Sony will surprise us with something completely unexpected? Which feature are you most excited to try first, the insane resolution, the AI-assisted autofocus, or the rumored 8K video? If you could design one feature for this camera yourself, what would it be? Do you think it's worth upgrading from the A7R VI? Or should creators wait for something even bigger? Comment below, I want to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, as soon as the official launch happens, we'll be here with full hands-on coverage and all the details you won't want to miss.